Welcome, family. Welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went into Dollar General, and I did have some stuff that I was looking to get, but I wanted to try out something, and what I tried out, it worked. So, and it brought my subtotal on a low to me. Okay, it's not the low that I was expecting, but it was on the low. Okay, so what I did was I did 2 transactions, okay? I'm going to bring you another transaction in another video, okay? So on this first one, I did the code medicine, and I think it was Bear, and there was some more things that you could get. It is, if you buy $15 or more, you get, I believe it was $3 off of the total. And I paired it in with the 5 off of 25. Okay, this is digital and paper coupons. Okay, so the first deal I did was I did these Alka-Seltzer Plus, and then the Alka-Seltzer, the Alka-Seltzer Plus regular, and then the Alka-Seltzer Plus Power Max gels. Okay, this first Alka-Seltzer Plus code is $5.25. Okay. And I had a digital $2 off coupon that came off of that. And then I had these 2 Alka-Seltzer Code and Flu, which is the Power Max gels. Okay, I got the Code and the Flu. And these are, these are $6.50 each. So, for all 3 of those, it is over $15. Okay. So I had, for the Power Max gels, I had $2 off manufactured coupon that came in a paper. You can Google coupontom.com and pull that up and search for the Alka-Seltzer Plus to see what paper it came in. I don't know if it came in last week's paper or week before that. Okay, just Google coupontom.com and then just type in Alka-Seltzer Plus and it'll pull up. Okay, so all the coupons came off of that. Even the $3 off of 15 came off. Okay, I'll show you on my receipt. So then the next thing was the Tide. This Tide is, and this is the Tide Simply Pods. Let me show you. 13 count, $2.95. There's a $2 off digital that is attaching. It's actually for the red Tide pods and everything, but I went ahead and scanned it, and it still is scanning for this Tide Simply Pod, so this make it 95 cents. Then Mucinex, I didn't have the digital, but I had a manufacturer coupon that I printed off of coupon.com. This was $5.50, and there was a $5 off manufacturer coupon, making it only 50 cents. Then the Big Silky Touch, they are on sale for $3, and it is the 10 count. Let me show you. 10 count, okay? They, like I said, it is $3, and there is a $2 digital coupon that came off for this, okay? So let me show you my receipt. And after everything totaled up, y'all, only paid $6.70 for all of this. That's like just getting one of the Alka-Seltzer Plus Power Max gels, just buying one. Okay, I got all this mainly free. Just buy one of those, and the rest of the stuff was free. So let me show you my receipt. There it is. There's the store discounts with the 5 off of 25. And then the 3 off of 15 with the Alka-Seltzer. There's everything else, $6.70. And look, $23 in total savings. and I didn't get no 5 off of 25. Okay, so y'all, this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.